In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Goal Seek in Excel. Goal Seek is a simple but powerful tool in Excel that helps you work backward. Instead of entering a value and seeing the result, you tell Excel the result you want, and it calculates the input needed to get there. This is especially useful for things like budgeting, sales targets, loan calculations, or any worksheet where one formula depends on another value. To get started, open the Excel workbook where you want to use Goal Seek. Make sure the workbook already contains a formula because Goal Seek works by adjusting one input cell in order to change the result of a formula cell. If there is no formula in place, the tool will not be able to calculate the target for you. Once your workbook is open, go to the Data tab at the top of Excel. In the Forecast group, click What If Analysis. A small drop-down menu will appear. From that menu, select Goal Seek. This opens the Goal Seek dialog box, which is where you tell Excel what outcome you want and which value it is allowed to change. In the Goal Seek window, you'll fill in 3 fields. For Set Cell, select the cell that contains the formula. This is the cell showing the result you want to control. For To Value, enter the exact result you want that formula to return. This could be a number, total, or target amount, depending on your worksheet. Then for By Changing Cell, select the input cell Excel should adjust in order to reach that target. This should usually be a single variable cell, not a formula cell, since Excel needs a value it can actively change. After everything is entered, click OK. Excel will run the calculation automatically and try to find the value needed to make the formula reach your chosen result. In most cases, this happens very quickly. When the Goal Seek status dialog box appears, click OK again to accept the result and keep the new value Excel found. And that's it. You've successfully used Goal Seek in Excel. As a quick tip, if the result doesn't look right, double check that your set cell contains a formula and that your changing cell is the correct input value. Goal Seek is best when one formula depends clearly on one variable. If your sheet has multiple changing inputs, this tool may be more limited, but for single variable scenarios, it's a fast and practical way to solve for the answer you need.